headed up the Little Salmon River again. Headed out fishing for kings. We're gonna go see what happens here. Well, here we are out on Lake Ontario, waiting on a bite. Here we go, we're on Lake Ontario. I just picked up a fish. Oh! He just let off. Son of a... We're working on a small coho here. Small king, really small king. Just a little guy. Good for the frying pan. We're up Lake Ontario. We're gonna go do a little salmon fishing again today, and I'm with John on the boat again. There's John. Say hi, John. Okay, we got a fish here. Johnny's got him on. He was stuck in the downrigger, but we finally got it going on. So let's see what we got coming in here. It's a salmon. I'm gonna get the net ready now. Okay, here we are on the Buddha boat. John just picked up a small, and there it is. So we're gonna keep going and see what else happens. Out. Okay, here we are on Johnny's boat again, the Buddha boat, and we just picked up another salmon if I can get my hands on it. Okay, here we are. We're at outdoors. Okay, here's Fred. He's getting ready. Say hi, Fred.
Hi, Fred.
All right, buddy, let's go.
You don't want to come in. Oh, you want me to talk? I got this fish at 6:30 this morning, 26 pounds on a green fly.
I want to say thanks to John for taking me out on the Buddha boat. I also want to say thank you to Butch for helping us out with the video. A hi to Fred. We went on his boat. We didn't have much luck that day, but it was okay. And then also I want to say thank you to John from Fish Layer Tackle for this picture he made for me. It looks good. I also want to say thank you to John from Fish Layer Tackle because he gave me a really nice spinner for cohos and kings that we're going to try out. On the next video, I'll put out a few pictures of this tackle. It works really well. I think everybody should try it. Okay, don't forget to tune in next week. We're going to have a mushroom picking video where myself and Joella went out and we picked some ram sets. It was really cool. But, okay, thank you. Hit subscribe and have a good day.